machine learning is artificial intelligence that uses data and algorithm to solve one or more problems. The machine learning is having so many algorithms. I will discuss those algorithms. In between, yes, deep learning is an advanced type of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn and make predictions using unstructured data. So these 3 minutes, what I am trying to tell you is, you have seen a big fruit. Take as the coconut. The top layer is artificial intelligence, and if you come into little bit depth, there is a core is there inside of that. That is called the machine learning. And if you go into the depth, we see a white part which we can eat, the coconut, and that is called deep learning. Or we can say the water inside of the coconut is deep learning, and what we eat, the coconut part, is machine learning, and the top is artificial intelligence. So everything is
Can you share?
they are assembled. Yes.
No, sir. Sorry. Please continue.
Okay. Ensemble together. Okay. Now we come back to artificial machine learning algorithms. You know that artificial intelligence, and there is machine learning, and into that machine learning there is a deep learning. So many researchers are doing their projects, are researching machine learning algorithms. Don't know how to use those algorithms into different applications. Whenever so many PhD graduates coming to us, and within 1 or 2 questions we could say that whether he is having a knowledge or possess a knowledge or not. So the main thing what we are examining to a research scholar is, suppose take machine learning algorithms. In machine learning algorithms, we have some of the algorithms are, one is linear regression, then logistic regression, we have decision trees. From decision trees, there is a random forest. Then after that, support vector machine and nearest neighbors. These are all the supervised learning. Supervised learning means you linear SVMs are, and we got these classes because we don't know. So normally using the SVM, you can do certain kind of projects. You cannot do all the projects. The certain kind of projects are text classification. You can do text classification, and you can go for some kind of image. Later you have to go for SVM. If the person doesn't know about CNN, and he says that only I am using SVM for image classification, that means he doesn't know the subject. And next, using SVM, we can also do handwriting recognition. So many people are doing that handwriting recognition also using support vector machines. And next we have in machine learning algorithms, another algorithm is it is a nearest neighborhood algorithm. It is just like predicting the class of a new instance by finding the most similar instances in the training data. It is like it's based on distance measures such as Euclidean distance and taking majority vote. Like suppose a person is there and he has a drinking habit, and he can play cards also. Then we can say that this person friends are also having the same type. So we could easily perceive that what kind of a person, and through that his friends we can identify that this is all those friends are of the same type. So this is called nearest neighborhood. There are so many features, and we identify the distance between those features, and we classify them according to that. So nearest neighborhood classification for some of the projects you can utilize using like handwritten and digital recognition. You can use those kind of projects, and you can have recommender systems. For recommender systems, you can use KNN, and you have anomaly detection projects. You can do those kind of projects, and some more projects. And these kind of projects only you can do, but you cannot do which I told you for linear regression some of the using those algorithms. That means these some of the projects can be utilized, some of the algorithms only. You cannot say that I'm using this algorithm for this kind of project. That means you are lying to the examiner or lying to the expert. So these are about machine learning algorithms, and it needs a lot of hard work and lot of coding skills to become the expert into that. At least for me, it took almost 3 to 4 years to become a master in coding, and what any kind of supervised learning algorithm. So I can code, I can say that this is the thing, this is the thing, and these are the things that we need to take care of if it comes to the machine learning. And then next very demanding thing is deep learning. Deep learning are having almost 4 very important algorithms. You have to be very careful in learning the 4 kind of algorithms is artificial neural networks, and second algorithm is CNNs, that is convolution neural networks, then RNNs, recurring neural networks, and we have LSTM, long short-term memory networks. Okay, so come to the artificial neural networks. It is nothing but it is inspired by the structure and function of biological neural networks. As I told you that you pinch your skin, it goes to the brain. So based on that, between there are some nodes. Those nodes will react to that one based on how effective the pinch is. So brain consists of interconnected nodes organized by layers. Deep learning models utilize ANNs with multiple hidden layers to learn hierarchical representation of the data. Okay, then so many people are coming and doing their research projects on CNNs. CNN means convolution neural networks. It is nothing but is particularly effective for processing grid-like data such as images and audio and videos. CNNs use evaluation layers to extract features from input images automatically. So suppose, for example, SEM is nothing but it's a layer on ANN. You have given an image, and you have a lot of data in your library. So your image those images will be trained, and a testing image will be if what kind of image is. It will tell you based on our training that this image is there in your it returns back you the kind of images that matches you. So previously we have a computer graphics subject. In that computer graphics subject, there are so many algorithms in graphical algorithms, and they built, and it was a big subject once upon a time. But after artificial intelligence and machine learning coming into the picture, the CNNs are doing very great job, and they are doing the images in a wonderful way. So if you learn CNNs, you can it enters into so many fields, like it goes into video, it goes into photos, going to so many applications are there. So CNN is nothing but first is convolutional. Convolutional means it convolute the image. Suppose there is an image. If there are 2 kinds of images, one black and white images and color images. Color images are 3D and black images are 2D. So both are having to be, you have to take care of and both of them, like how you have to deal with them. So the libraries are different and the logic is different. But what they're doing is, in CNN, you convert the big image into small image for small dimensions, the small, very less dimensions using so many filters, and that less image data, which is you convolute given to the ANNs, and it will compare with the library images, and it will do that. There is a logic behind the CNNs. So CNN is you have to work on CNN, and it is normally if you wanted to learn, if you read it, it will be tough to learn. But an expert who is doing the real projects and who is from the industry, they can teach you well. And ask at least from an industry people or professors like us to give you some idea, throw some knowledge on these deep learning techniques, you will be fine. You can learn all those things. So next one is in the latest we have RNNs, recurrent neural networks. It is more advanced to CNNs, and last one in deep learning is not last one. We have generative AI also came in, but generative AI is also in deep learning technology, but it is they are treating like it's another an important thing into the artificial intelligence. So at least in deep learning, if you learn these four algorithms, you are good. One is artificial ANNs, second algorithm is CNNs, third one is RNNs, fourth one is LSTM. And what kind of projects you can do using all this is when a person brings to me that he says that, sir, my project is this, I use this technology. So normally for artificial neural networks, so many NLP projects you can do using ANNs, but they say that, sir, I use SVM for NLP. Then I feel like, what is this person? So there is a lot of subject inside of the NLP. In NLP we have sentiment analysis, and we have recommender systems, and we have financial forecasting. These kind of projects are there, and they are mixing all these into some different kind of projects, and they do their own projects. And then in conversion engineering works, already I told you how to do that and how we can come across the CNNs, what is the logic behind it, how a program should be. And what kind of projects is we have to do is we have image classification projects. You can do like you can take the image of brain and you can say that whether it has some diseases or not. You can take all the images of blood sample and you can do a lot of projects. And you have other projects related to object detection and facial recognition. All of them you can use CNNs. If a person says that he brings a face recognition and he is not using CNN, and he says that, sir, I use this. And if I use in CNN, if you use CNN, if I go a little bit depth into the CNN, he cannot say anything. There are a lot of depth inside of the conventional network. Then we have recurrent neural networks, RNNs. They are suitable for situation data such as time series natural languages, and RNNs maintain internal state to process variable length sequences. So these projects, RNNs are very good for natural language processing and language modeling, and you can go for speech recognition. You can do projects like time series prediction, and you can do projects like weather prediction and sequence generations and text generations. So the generative AI is they use most of them in RNN algorithms. And then last one, another thing is long and short term memory LSTM networks, I think. This is these four only. These are a type, LSTM is a type of RNN designed to overcome the vanishing gradient problem. This vanishing gradient problem is, we have discussed a lot of things to make you understand this. And if you can understand this, you can do, you are better in the RN. But it takes almost 15 to 20 minutes if I tell you about this concept. And it's a better capture long depend. It is nothing but capture long-term dependencies in sequential data. Okay, for that we use LSTM. The type of projects what we can do is using NLP projects, text generation, and language translation. Like if you have English, you can convert into Telugu, and Telugu can be converted to English. Now using LSTM, so many movies are converting into different languages. Okay,
it is zoomed.
and you can see that text is also. Suppose you are speaking in Telugu, English text is coming as captions. These are using LSTM. And next one is we can go for speech recognition. We have time series prediction. We you have stock market prediction, and you have weather forecasting prediction. And so many people are bringing they do the stock market prediction, and they are not using LSTM, but they say that, sir, I am using this so and so. But they don't know what are they are doing and why they are doing. So we can easily identify this person is lying to us. And if you get depth into that project, and he says that, sir, I don't know, please pardon me, sir, just I have to get my PhD. So these are the things that we need to get into the machine learning and artificial intelligence related projects. And it was very vast knowledge, and you have to work hard for 3 to 4 years, then only you can become a master in this. I hope that even if I speak for hours together, I can speak, but you have a limited time you have given to me. Now I can switch on my video. And thank you to all of you for listening patiently my speech. All the best, and I wish you best of luck, and have a great success to this your international conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the insight you have given, and you motivated all these researchers and innovators for going a lot of project on that one. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. P. Subara Garu, the convener of this conference, to please address. Dr. Subara Garu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
So, respected Chief Guest, Dr. A. Gunamani, sir, is one of my supervisor and is a professor of CSC and JET Kakinada, as well as he is working as a director in School of Management Studies. Honorable Chairman, sir, of Honorable with the Dean's Group of Institutions, Honorable Secretary, sir, Kankai Garu, our beloved Principal, Dr. Chandramohan VSA Garu, our beloved Dean Admissions, Dr. Dean Jena Garu, at the co-convener, Dr. VSA Murthy, and conference head, Dr. Jena, sir, the keynote speakers, Dr. K. Venkataraman, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Telecommunication, Computer Engineering, School of Engineering, is a Kampala International University, Uganda. Another keynote speaker, Dr. J.S.P. Sundar sir, Associate Dean, ICT Development and Extension. These are working with the Professor, Department of Computer Science, and in Bulgaria University, Ethiopia. And our session sites, below session sites and delegates across the world. Very good morning to you all. I am the Dr. Kesupara, convener of this conference, ICC-IGT 2024. It is my pleasure to present the report of our prestigious event. Contribution of multidisciplinary research are hosted under the theme of computational intelligence, enabling the interdisciplinary handshake and promotion of collaborative skills. ICC-IT 2024 witnessed the research papers from UG, PG, PhD scholars and academicians and industrialists, various institutions around the world like the Wilsonburg, Warrensburg, USA, Malaysia, and southern regions of India, Punjab, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, Nagapur, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. The conference created a lot of excitement in the research fraternity, which was reflected in 290 billion research papers after a rigorous review process by 150 reviewers and an external pool of reviewers and our program committee members with the acceptance of 120 papers. We registered 88 papers for presentation, scheduled in different tracks, each track chaired by 3 session chairs. I appreciate the hard work of people from various sectors of research who work with fearless towards innovation and development. This is the room for reaching out to professionals, practitioners, technologists, innovations, and executives, government representatives for the academics. So this is about conference report. So welcome to all others. You can explore your knowledge, present our paper presentation.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are playing our college this one.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay, okay. Yeah, it's fine, fine.
Discover power within you. Aim high and achieve. Innovate, create, and make an impact. BVC is a place which provides exploratory time for students to discover their passions, ideas, and values. Located in nation's second richest district, Ambedkar Konasima of Andhra Pradesh, the institution was established by our visionary late Sri Bonam Venkatachalamaya Garu in the year 1997 with the aim of providing outstanding higher education. The institute has three campuses:
Actually,
Odalarevu,
for everyone,
Amalapuram,
I have
Rajahmundry.
another admission
Welcome
project.
to BBC Group as India's leading next generation institutions, living, growing, and youthful, that embrace change and opportunity with a can-do attitude.
Thank you,
A
sir.
70-acre lush green campus, BVC is a pinnacle of academic excellence where elevated infrastructure propels you towards a future of boundless possibilities.
Just one second.
Our accreditation is a mark of distinction and an assurance of high quality education acknowledged by NAC A grade and NBA. Our classrooms are more than spaces. They're incubators of innovation designed to spark curiosity and ignite intellect. Laboratories are equipped with cutting-edge technology that prepares students to thrive in a world driven by innovation, where students and professors unite. Our eminent faculty members aren't just educators, they are mentors who inspire, challenge, and ignite a lifelong love for learning. Every presentation, every discussion, every idea shared contributes to a tapestry of knowledge that enriches the entire college community. Our campus is a nexus where academia meets industry, career fairs, workshops, networking events.
My experience in BBC ITS, great and memorable. Our college employed with many companies like Cisco, Microsoft, Salesforce, Red Hat Academy, Oracle Academy, and many more. These companies are providing certification programs, and also we have exam centers in our college. These are helpful to increase our technical skills and knowledge.
From coding algorithms to engineering prototypes, our laboratories are the canvas for turning ideas into tangible realities.
Student.
I'm very happy to study in BBC College. Our college is providing many sources and facilities to make students fit to the real and professional life. Our college management is student-friendly management, focusing on both academics and co-curricular activities. Our college management is making sure that students are aware of campus interviews and training us for campus interviews from first year itself.
Every year, 80 plus MNCs visit our college to hire.
Strong alumni network across the globe. Safe and secured transport facility with a fleet of 200 buses to every corner of the district.
Sir.
Welcome to our elevated hostels, meticulously crafted to provide you with an unparalleled living experience.
In BBC hostels, we are provided with an eco-friendly and hygienic environment. We are also provided with nutritious food. We have a room with 4 bed sharing and an attached bathroom. We are provided with 24/7 Wi-Fi, 24/7 CCTV surveillance, and also mineral water. There is a gym to maintain our fitness. We are also provided with 24/7 medical facilities. Here, we all live like a family. People from different regions stay here. This is my home away from my home.
Ensuring a healthy mind in a healthy body. Immerse yourself in our state-of-the-art sports facilities where every pitch, court and track is meticulously designed to hone your skills and unleash your potential. The rhythm of dance, the melody of music and the enchantment of theatre. It's a canvas where students express their identities and celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures. BBC is the place where students become pioneers of tomorrow. BBC Group of Institutions, Odalarevu, Amalapuram, Rajahmundry.
So why is not coming? They are telling why is not coming.
What can I do?
So you want to do, Subbarao want to do.
Okay.
Let him do.
Now it is over to Dr. P. Subbarao Garu. Sir, you can display the videos and other activities, please.
Keep your mic off, sir. No sound.
It to be done, it should be practiced one day. Not alone. Last minute only.
No sound. They are also struggling.
What can I do?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No sound is coming.
No, sir. We'll also technical issue resolve that. Sir, there is a
Yes, sir.
can start
You stop the video, sir. Stop the video.
Please.
You stop the video and audio, sir. He's telling you stop the video and audio.
I have stopped everything.
Wait here. అరే కెమెరా మాకు ఉండదా ఏంటి ఓకే అసలు షూర్
Dean sir,
Development Extension, and Professor, Department of Computer Science, College of Informatics, Purohara University, Ethiopia. We are reading the past profile. So welcome to our conference, sir.
Okay. I'm here. Can I start?
please, sir, continue.
1 second, sir. Read your profile, sir.
Very good morning to all the hotspots, especially
One second,
the
excuse me, sir. 1 second, sir. We'll read your profile, sir.
Please, please.
It is with great pleasure that I introduce Dr. Jaspi Sundar, a distinguished professor
Associate Dean for ICT Development and Expansion at the College of Informatics, Hora University, Ethiopia. Dr. Sundar is renowned for his expertise in network security, cyber security, and data communications, with a prolific research portfolio that has earned him widespread recognition. With a total of 470 citations and an impressive H-index of 14, Dr. Sundar's contributions to the field are truly noteworthy. His 110 index of 26 further exemplifies the impact of his research on academia and beyond. As a dedicated educator and researcher, Dr. Sundar plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of information and communication technologies in Ethiopia and beyond. His commitment to advancing knowledge and fostering innovation